Now let us begin with the revision of Please Listen 2.4. This is a poem by an unknown author. The speaker of the poem seemed to be adolescents. That means the young person who is developing from the child into the adult. She or he could be talking to his parents. The whole poem is plead from the need of heard and understood. The speaker does not need to help the advice. She or he wants to patient listener who hear him out. The speaker of this poem sound by very realistic about his or her shortcomings and appear confident enough to overcome them. Moreover, the speaker wants to sort out his problems herself or himself. This is the particular theme of this poem. So now some questions we discuss here. What is the difference between hear and listen? ऐकणे आणि लक्ष देऊन समजून ऐकणे याच्यामध्ये काय फरक? टू हेअर मीन्स रिसीव विथ द इयर, with sound made with somebody or something to aware the same sound. To listen means continuously gives one attention to a sound and try to understand it. Example, I was trying to listen to their conversation, but the audio was not bad. That couldn't even hear what they were saying. That is what the difference between hear and listen. Now second, how old the speaker in the poem? या कवितेतील वक्त्याचे वय किती असावे? अराउंड 14 to 15 years old of the speaker in this poem. Who is he she talking to? तो ती कोणाशी बोलत? His parent, they talking to them. What must have happened before the speaker says all this? हे सर्व वक्त्याने म्हणणे अगोदर काय घडले असावे? His or her parent might have not heard him her. That's why that kind of thing happened before the speaker all this. Is the speaker aware of this shortcoming? Yes, the speaker of is aware of shortcomings. Does he or he wants to improve? Is he or she confident that he or she can be improved? How does he or she wants to work it out that you will do by your own? Is the poet willing to listen the other? Discuss how you can be a good listener. कवी इतरांचे बोलणे म्हणणे समजून ऐकण्यास उत्सुक आहे. Yes, the poet is willing to listen the other, but he says if you want to listen to him, you should wait till your turn comes. Then you only he will be able to listen the others. That is what the poet's willing to listen his. English workshop. Write opposite antonyms of the following. Cheap, costly, discouraged, that became encouraged, inadequacy, adequacy, accept, reject, simple, hard, irrational, rational, understood, misunderstanding, clear, unclear. That is the opposite of that words. Maintain a diary at least for a week. Write about your interactions with the other peoples. In your surrounding 3-4 lines. Also write whether you find the irrational happy, unhappiness, satisfactory, unsatisfactory, enjoyable and stressful. तर किमान एक आठवडा रोज नेशिल्या 3-4 ओळी तुमच्या सहवासाच्या आजूबाजूच्या लोक समवेत होणाऱ्या संभाषणाबद्दल या तुमचे संभाषण आनंददायी, दुःखी आहे की समाधानकारक की असमाधानकारक, ही मजेशीर व त्रासदायक आहे हे तुम्हाला लिहा. डायरी फॉर अ वीक. 1 day. Today I met our new neighbor. I was happy to know that their son is of my age and studying in the standard 9. That is the one starting of writing that particular way. Write an informal letter from the teenager in his parent expressing few thoughts from the poem. My dearest, hi, are you surprising you to see this letter? I wanted to talk about you about his, but then I thought I will be able to express myself better in letter. You and yours lovingly yourself. So in this particular letter, you can write down in the left side your address and directly start. Dearest Papa, are you surprising to see this letter? I wanted to talk you directly about this, but then I thought I will able to express myself better than in a letter. I am still upset over our argument which took place yesterday. I was a little bit rude with you, but I just wanted you to listen to my concern instead of listening up the completely. You started advising me. That's really hurt me a lot. I always wished that I should share my thoughts with someone. Sharing makes me happy and I feel lighter, but whenever I try to share something with you, you starting advising me instead of listening to me. I hope you will be try to understand my feelings. And left side you can write that yours lovingly XYZ. That is the way you can write the informal letter to your parents about regarding this poem. Let's begin with 2.5 of play, and there are some questions and revision also here. List the character that have appeared so far in the play. आतापर्यंत उल्लेख झालेल्या पात्रांची यादी करा. फर्स्ट गार्ड, सेकंड गार्ड, डिसायपल, किंग अँड चौपट. Second question in English version. List all the different titles they are using. Use the address to the king. Answer. In here the most noble, most revered, most gracious, most learned King Chaupat of his vast kingdom. That's are the particularly uses some kind of addressing to the king. Copy the exclamatory from the play. There is the exclamation marks that became the exclamatory sentence. Copy the order and imperative sentence from the passage. Bring the money. And there are some kind of this kind of the sentences are there in the passage. The subject became understood. Write what each of the following should have said after listening to the complaint against him her. First we started with daughter. So here daughter should have said that she was going to get married next week, so should she excuse him from being punishment. Second is potter. I never make defective pot. Mortar makers might have bought it from somewhere else. Another is mortar maker. I always use the bottleneck spot in pouring water. It is the bricklayer's idea to blaming me. That is what the some kind of the claiming and remaining part of the questions. Bricklayers and merchant you will be do by your own. 7. What should the king have said to the thief? राजाने चोराला काय सांगायला हवे होते. The king should have said to the thief that it was the fault of him and his friend and not to the merchant, as they had entered this house the intention of stealing when his family was away, so he or his friend were totally responsible for what had happened. Will a thief appears in the court on his own? Why does this thief dare to do so? कुणी चोर स्वतःहून न्यायालयात दरबारात हजर राहील का? या चोराने असे धाडस केले. A thief will never appear in the court on his own. This thief dared to do so because the his kingdom was not powerful and the rule and regulation of the kingdom were not so strict. That's why that thief appeared in the court on his own. Read the following sentences and find out the subject and verb of each sentence subject and verb. You are a stranger. In these sentences, you became subject, I are became verb. I am the visitor here. I became subject and verb. You have heard right. You became subject, have become verb. He must pay. He became subject, must pay became verb. The king will not hang me. The king became subject and will not hang. That became verb. Read the following sentence and take one of the passive voice and copy them correctly. I have heard amazing story, not voice. I am especially impressed by the fact, passive voice. I am quite happy about it, passive voice. I beg your justice, passive voice. And my friend was instantly killed, passive voice. My house has been recently built, passive. It is the fault of bricklayer, not that became not passive voice. Part second, apply 2.4 lists the characters that appear for the first time in his part of the play. Write one or two lines about each of them. First became the goldsmith. He was the dutiful and tried to follow the king's order by setting aside all his work. There is another one, hangman. He was also faithful towards his duties. He tried to follow the king's order. He was an executioner who hangs the culprits. Say whether the following sentence true or false. First, the goldsmith blamed the king for the delay in his work. True. The king thought that goldsmith had a good reason to delay the daughter's work. False. The goldsmith was hanged. False. The noose did not fit the goldsmith's neck. True. The noose did not fit the disciple's necks. False. The sage wanted to die on his days. True. The sage wanted to save his disciple. True. The king wanted to be a king again his next birth. That is also true. So write the instead of funny rules and twist logical use in अंधेरी नगरी. तर अंधेरी नगरातील हास्यास्पद नियम विक्षिप्त तर्कशास्त्र कोणतेही 3 प्रसंग लिहा. आन्सर. एक्झाम्पल. Disciple came to Andheri Nagari to pay the respect to the mighty King Chopat, but his surprise, the king ordered the hangman to hang him without delay. Second, the blame games continuously one after another, and king ordered to hangman everything to hang a person without verifying his or her mistake. The king requested the guard to take him the gallows and hang him without any delay to become a next king of the same kingdom in his next time. That is what some kind of the 3 instance funny rules up and twisted the logic in Andheri Nagari. List of proverbs and saying used in the play. Justice delayed is justice denied. Our actions speak louder than words. Read the entire play and complete the following blames games flow chart. Blame games follow chart. Who is blaming? Who does he blame? For what does he blaming that person's? Thief, owner of the house, for not constructing the strong wall. Owner of the house to blaming bricklayer for carelessly building a weak wall. Merchant, bricklayer for carelessly building a weak wall. Bricklayer, mortar maker for mixing too much water in mortar. Mortar maker, potter for making defective pot with large mouth. Potter, moneylender's daughter for distributing him with tinkling of the anklet. Moneylender's daughter, goldsmith for dealing in her deliver of her ornaments. Goldsmith, king for giving order to set aside all the work to make the queen's ornaments. Listen carefully and write the verbs appropriately in column main verb, auxiliary verb, and modal auxiliary. Can became modal auxiliary. Give main verb. Following main verb. Commanded main verb. Get became main verb. Has auxiliary verb. Been auxiliary verb. Spare main verb. Does auxiliary verb. Take main verb. Hand main verb. Have auxiliary. Fall main verb. Forgive main. Let main. Drag main. Return main. Will become modal auxiliary verb. Is became auxiliary. Try main. Has auxiliary verb. Must modal auxiliary. Remaining of that particularly you will do by your own. So all students, you must be practice of the lesson which we already learned. So that lesson will be from first 1.1 up to that the play up to that lesson. You will study well its grammar and all these things. Complete their homeworks and send me in my personal number. Thank you.